Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a product review. Yes, as you can see on the screen that we have a Maybelline's New York Baby Pink Instant Pink Transformer. Yes, so we are going to do a review on this product, and this is seriously marvelous, amazing. As I'm using it for a few days, I just really love the texture and the product result. This is seriously amazing, guys. And this product is also has a SPF 35. See, as you can see that it has a SPF 35 PA++. Yes, and it also provide your skin a hydration. As you can see that it like they have written it on the fair skin with 24 hours hydration. Yes, so this is seriously amazing, guys. And baby pink, it also provide you a pinkish type of skin, and the makeup on it looks really smooth and interesting. And if we talk about the packaging, so here you can see that it's a tube which is 30 ml. Yeah, see, here is it, 30 ml tube. And I if you go to the market, you can easily find out it, so you can easily see it at any market. And if we talk about this tube, so this is a dark pink with light pink color. As you can see that the written on the baby pink and instant pink transformer, they had written it on in the dark pink color, and the tube is a light pinkish type. So this is seriously amazing, guys. And really appreciate this product, because the result of this product is seriously amazing. I really love this product. Or maybe many of you has already using this product and getting a really good result in this. And if we talk about the price, so you can buy it in under the 1,000 rupees. Yes, and you can easily check this product in any mall or any other good shop, or maybe in your area as well on the cosmetic shops. So you can find out that there. So I just love it. Hope maybe you guys are also having this product and using it. And if we talk that this is good for the dry skin type, because it is smoothie and creamy type texture. So their makeup will look really good in this. Hope you guys like this product and also the review. So if you guys like my this reviews, don't forget to comment it. And we will come back with the new product and with the new video. Till the next time, take care of yourself, and for all your family members, take care. Bye, but do not forget to subscribe my channel. So tata, bye bye.